So this is the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 men's grooming kit with trimmer for beard, head, hair, body, groin, and face, and it does not need any blade oil, which is pretty important. Now, as you can see, it's very pretty. It has this textured steel look to it, so it looks well built, it looks great. And it's also heavy, so it feels like it was built with intention and longevity. You can also see here there are a number of trimming guards. They have quite a bit. So you can select lengths starting from 1 millimeter to 3 millimeters, and they step up in 0.2 millimeters, so you can really get yourself whatever length you want. And going back to the fact that it doesn't require any oil, the reason that is because this is a self-sharpening stainless steel blade system that they have. So every time you use it, it self-sharpens itself, so you don't need any oil, and it's going to last for a very, very long time. Not only that, but it comes with a 5-hour runtime battery, which means if you're going off on a weekend trip, no need to bring the cord with you. It's going to last you 5 hours. I would venture to guess that you would need it less than 5 hours, so this is perfect for those getaways. Just throw it in a bag and you're good to go. But if you do need to charge it, it does come with a USB charging cord. But probably the biggest selling point of this particular product is that it comes with 2 adjustable trimming guards. One that's from 1 to 3 millimeters and another that's from 3 to 7 millimeters. It also comes with a nose and ear trimmer and an extra wide hair trimmer. Need those eyebrows trimmed? They got you covered. Need to do a hair fade? They got a couple guards for that as well. If you're in the market for an all-in-one trimmer that does literally everything, this is the one to get. And the price is great, and the quality is phenomenal. So go out and get yourself one.